Hey everyone and welcome back to What They Don't Tell You once again. Today we are discussing lucky people and the topic for the day is most lucky people in the whole world. We all have seen a lot of people who have perfection in their work. They believe that they are experts, while in reality luck is also an essential factor along with the expertise. In this video today we're gonna talk about some people whose luck saved them from a big tragedy. In this digital era, pranks have become quite famous. We have all seen a lot of prank videos and some of them that we enjoyed as well. People are normally teased in prank videos. People sometimes prank their friends just for fun, while on the other hand, these pranks can give a heart attack to someone who is having these pranks being played on. Pranks can be very dangerous too. The very famous pranksters with the name Jalals got one of their team members shot during one of their pranks. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, kindly do so for more such information. This channel is fully dedicated to information that you don't get to see in normal life. Kindly press the bell icon so that you could get notified every time a new video is uploaded. So without further delay, in April of 2018, a road CCTV in Poland recorded this dangerous video. As you can see, two young girls are walking alongside the road and one of them gave the other a friendly push towards the road. But that girl on the other hand lost her balance and fell down on the road. The girl only pushed her friend in a fun mood, but who knew that it could turn into a fatal accident as well. The girl did not know that there was a bus at that road at that time. When she pushed her friend, she fell down on the side of the bus. Her head was just saved miraculously. Her head was just like a few millimeters away from the bus tire, which could just crush her head flat. If the girl who had fallen down was just a little bit further, her head would have been crushed by the bus. She is a very lucky girl, but not everyone is as lucky as her. This type of mischievous act can put someone's life in danger, so it's always better to avoid that. So moving on with the list, whenever we cross a road we look at both sides to be safe, but if we talk about kids, they are pretty careless, right? That is one of the reasons why kids are not allowed to go out on the road on their own. Drivers take a lot of care while driving whenever they see a woman or a kid because they can jump from anywhere and come in the front of the car. This video that you're looking at right now was recorded in a dashcam in 2017. A school bus stopped at a point with double indicators on. The bus was dropping students as per its normal schedule. Total 5 students stepped out of the bus, from which 2 students had to cross the road. Both of them did not look at either side of the road and ran directly across the road. Another big vehicle was coming at a very high speed from the other side and one of the kids accidentally came in front of that vehicle. Luckily, very luckily actually, the truck driver was an expert and he stopped the truck at that spot and controlled the truck as well. The truck driver with his driving skills saved that kid's life, but this video was terrifying indeed. Most of you guys have probably played snooker at least once in your life, and if you haven't, you definitely have seen anyone play snooker at least. It's basically a boring game, at least for me, but some people play this game for hours and on daily basis. Some people on the other hand don't know how to play this game at all, but they try to play it with some of these players. All a player has to do while playing this game is to pot balls in the pockets. What will happen if a normal person is able to defeat a snooker champion? In this video, as you can see, this person, he is playing snooker for the first time in his whole life and with a champion. When the last 3 balls are only left on the table, he shot the ball which went right into the pocket by chance, but this is not it. He shot the second ball and it also went into the pocket unexpectedly. And when he made the third shot, it also went into the pocket and he won the match. That's a surprise. Snooker may be boring and slow, but it is one hell of a difficult game to play. And this person was lucky enough to win from a world champ. We all have seen a lot of people falling down in movies, right? Some of them die and some of them are able to survive. Although it's almost impossible for someone to survive if they fall down from a great height. In this video, you can see that this man has fallen down from a house and it looks like that he is drunk. He falls downwards on the stairs and luckily stops after a while, then again he starts to fall downwards and the baby cart was also going to go with him, but luckily a man saved it. The man continues with the falling process and in the end that process comes to an end. At first I also thought that he was dead, but luckily he was not. To my surprise as well as yours, this man is alive. He survived that downfall. Guns are one of the most dangerous weapons in the whole world, won't you agree with me? You can find dozens of YouTube channels which give information on guns and tell us how to use them. I mean, that is really dangerous, but it is a reality. FPS Russia is a very famous YouTube channel. He also tells people about different guns. His YouTube channel is based on firearms. In one of his videos, it can be seen that he was testing one of the guns as usual part of his job. But something unexpected happened this time. While the gun was being tested on a truck, it exploded. I mean, explosions are normal for this person as this happens on his YouTube channel on daily basis. But this time it was very different because this time he almost got killed. A piece of metal passed directly towards his face and it was just 1 or 2 millimeters away from his face. The metal was on a high speed and this man could have been killed by that very easily. He is definitely very lucky to survive. If you live in a big city, then you have a very good idea of traffic problems. Sometimes it becomes really impossible for a car parking. Just imagine you are in a car parking and finding an empty space for your car when cars start falling on you. What would you do in that situation? Kindly tell me in the comment section down below. Well, this can only be seen in Hollywood movies, but in this video, this incident happened in reality. This person that you're looking at right now was also finding a car parking space to park his car when suddenly a car fell right behind his car. He was saved very luckily and his car was also saved. Just imagine yourself in the driver's place and think, what would you do? We all have seen many people who have had brutal accidents and some of them are very lucky enough to escape them as well. If a car hits a pedestrian, then he or she can be seriously injured. If a truck runs over a man, then it is almost impossible for him to survive, right? If he is very lucky, there might be a chance of survival, but not much though. This video which you're looking at now was recorded by a CCTV camera of a busy road in China. As you can see in the video, this truck nearly crushes that biker's head, but he was very lucky. He seemed unconscious after that terrible accident, but his life was saved at least. The truck driver on the other hand was heavily fined, and for all the right reasons. The luckiest person that I found in this list is this last one. I mean, he was just near his death, but he was saved. I really hope that I am that lucky as well. Tell me in the comment section down below which one of these videos did you find the most interesting and which person did you find the most lucky one. Press the bell icon and I will see you in the next video.